guys, and welcome. My Lovelula box is here. I'm really excited. But before we dive into the box, if you're new here, hello, my name is Amy. If you love all things beauty like our YouTube family does, then hit that subscribe button before you leave and come and join us. We are a lovely bunch. With that being said, make sure you've got a kettle on, you've pulled up a chair, and let's go. Like I said, Lovelula is here. I'm unsure if this is the last one because they said May, or it could be when my subscription ends, which I'm not sure when that is, but this could possibly be the last one. But I am going to dive into what they're going to be doing because they are doing something else. So yeah, I'm sad, I'm excited at the same time. If you're unfamiliar with Lovelula, it is a natural beauty subscription box, and as I said, it looks like it's coming to an end, so I will put the details down below, but like I said, it's ending, so I'm sad. So let's just dive in and kind of appreciate what we have. I'm going to give you a cheeky sneaky peek. There we go. And with Lovelula, as always, you get a card. It gives you 20% off of the brands that are in the box for the month, and also on the back you get a little bit of information about what's in the box. So let's just dive in. The first item I can see is, ooh, it's the Organic Argan Moisture Retention Face Oil. I've got quite a few of these. I do like them. They are various different ones. We get a lot of them, so I don't know how I feel about it, but I use a lot of oil. At the moment I'm using it daily, so yeah, my skin is very, very dry. So Lovelula have said it's the oils of heaven. Argan oil is cold pressed from argan kernels. This argan oil is rich in vitamin E and essential fatty acids, perfect for regenerating tissue and helping the skin retain its natural moisture. Yeah, so I am looking forward to trying that. There is no total of the value of this month's box, but what I will do is I will go online, have a look at the products, work it out, and then I'll put it up on screen somewhere. So yeah, yeah, I'm quite pleased with it. I like I said, I quite like them. I have been using them. The next item, ooh, is from the brand Balm Balm, and it is the Little Miracle Rose Hip Serum. Oh, I am starting to run low on serums, so I am quite excited to be trying this. And I do like rose hips. My skin loves rose hips. So I am just going to pop this out. This looks huge as well. There's quite a large amount there. Ooh, that is looking quite oily to me. It's running away. Let's see how it rubs in. That has got, I would say, an oil base to it. Yeah, that's quite oily. If you've got really oily skin, I don't think you're going to like that, but I think if you've got dry skin, you're really going to like it. You could probably get away with using that as an oil as well, because it is quite oily. How many times can I say oil? So yeah, there is like a summery kind of glowy theme to this box, I think. They don't normally do themed boxes, but yeah. It smells like rose hips. It's very natural. It's a, oh, I like that. And Lovelula have said, a Balm Balm Little Miracle Rose Hip Serum. This is a beautifully rich blend of rosehip, jojoba and borage oils, generously infused with frankincense, rose geranium, palmarosa, juniper and Mediterranean essential oils, which will free your skin, even out your texture, and feel totally rejuvenated. So yeah, like I said, there's a lot of oils in there, so you know, I've got hair stuck to it as well. So not everybody's going to like it, but I do like that. It is feeling oily on the skin. It might be like, 'cause I can't use that in the day because it's quite oily. I don't know, I might use it on the body because that feels quite nice. Now the next item I can see is from PHB Beauty. It's the Balance Moisturizer. It's lavender and sea buckthorn. It's for oily skin, blemishes and acne. It says 100% natural, it's vegan, it's cruelty free, ethical and organic. The last PHB Beauty item I tried, I had an allergic reaction to. It was the hair and body gel, unfortunately. But oh, look at this. This looks quite cool. How many mils we got in here? Sound the box. It should do. I can't read how many mils it's got in there because it's very small. It says 20% of profit goes to charity. That's nice. I like that. I'm going to give this a little pump out. if it wants to come out. Do we have a seal? It's very thick. That might be the issue why it's not coming out. Oh, there we go. It's in the palm of my hand. Oh, I like the smell of that. I know I'm rubbing it over kind of oils. It is very thick. It's got a very natural lavender sense, but it's not kind of in your face, which I quite like. Yeah, I think I'm going to like that at night time. That's got an oil base to it as well. But I think at night time that is going to be really, really hydrating. Or if you've got super dry skin, you could use that in the day as well. Yeah, I know it says it's for oily skin, but it's very, very hydrating. So as someone who used to have quite oily skin, I don't know if you'll be able to get away with that. But, you know, hey ho, I will give it a go. And Lovelula have said it's the PHB Ethical Beauty Balance Moisturizer. This soothing moisturizer restores skin harmony. It nourishes and boosts radiance while rebalancing the complexion and protecting against environmental damage. Well, I know I have got an oil-based product on there already, but my hand is super, super glowy. The next item I'm really intrigued about. I love this brand. It's from Inica Organic. This is 74% organic and it's a certified organic matte perfection primer. And it says it's a base tint. There's 30 mils in here. It's vegan, it's cruelty free. I like that. It's got a massive list of ingredients in here that you can read. And it says this lightweight primer has oil absorbing properties to help minimize the appearance of pores, and active plant extracts to help keep skin hydrated, ensuring an all-day flawless makeup. And it says apply 1 to 2 pumps to fingertips and massage gently into face and neck. Ooh, so it is in a pumpy bottle. I like that. I do like Inica's packaging. I think it's really cool. It's very sleek. I love it. Yes, we do have a pump. I like that too. I'm going to pump it out on the other hand. Ooh, that looks like it's got a kind of tint to it. Yeah, it does. Look at that. It is kind of blurring the skin on the back of my hand. I like that. I think I'm about to fall in love with another Inica product, and that has just gone. I'm quite pleased with that. I know it's obviously only on the back of my hand, but yeah, from what I've seen of that so far, I like it. I'm getting very excited. And they have said the Inica Matte Perfection Primer leaves your skin with a natural matte finish with this lightweight formula that absorbs excess oil without weighing down or clogging your pores. That is cool. I'm going to pop it back in the box. That will go in my new in drawer to try as soon as I can. And the last two items here, I'm quite pleased to see actually. They're small samples. They're both from Dr. Jackson's. And we've got the Everyday Oil, which is 03, a nourishing blend of 100% natural oils for the face and body. And there's also number 2, which is the Dr. Jackson's Night Cream, an intensely rich and nourishing moisturiser. When I placed my Lovelula order, they popped one of each of these in, and I've just used them and I really, really like them. The moisturiser, or the night cream, it's so hydrating, but it's not it doesn't weigh your skin down. It doesn't leave you looking really oily in the morning. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's got a really nice fragrance to it as well. And the same with the oil. It's a nice dry oil that just sinks into the skin. My face absolutely loved it. But unfortunately, when I looked up the price of these two, they are incredibly pricey. So it's not something I'm going to repurchase, but I really did enjoy using them. So I'm very pleased to be having them. And Lovelula have said Dr. Jackson's Sample Duo, a chance to sample a new range to Lovelula, which is quite cool. So I'm just going to run through what we've got. So we've got the Inica Organic Certified Matte Perfection Primer. Really, really pleased to see this, which is cool. I know it's a primer and some people might think it's a bit boring, but it's really nice to see a natural kind of primer. We've got the Oils of Heaven, the Organic Moisture Retention Face Oil. This is going to be really good for this time of year. As you can tell, it's getting hot. Britain doesn't get hot, it gets warm. We had 3 days of summer and then it gets wet again. Today it is really, really hot, so we're probably experiencing day 1 of our summer in May. So yeah, if it's going to retain moisture overnight, absolutely fabulous. We have got the Balm Balm Little Miracle Rosehip Serum. Like I said, this is kind of oil based, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to use it as a serum, but I'm using a lot of body oils at the moment because my skin is so dry, so I might use it on the body instead. And then we have got the pH Beauty Balance Moisturizer, Lavender and Sea Buckthorn. I'm excited to be using this. I am a bit worried though because I did have a reaction to their lavender gel. So what I might do is try this on another part of my body first, and just see how my skin goes with it, and then try it on my face because the reaction was really not nice. We're talking full on itchy rash from my knees down to my ankles. I had it sort of here. It was awful, and my skin has only just recovered. So yeah, I'm pleased to be trying it because obviously they don't know how my skin's going to react, so it's down to me. But I will try it somewhere else on my body first. And the 2 Dr. Jackson samples, which I fell in love with and very happy to use again. So yeah, I'm very pleased. I'm very sad if that's my last box because I absolutely love Lovelula. It's my favourite box out of all of them. Yeah, so I'm very, very sad. But if it is the last one, what a box to go out on. So yeah, and like I said, I'm going to be digging into their website and finding out exactly what they're going to be doing next, and then you never know, we will see. But yeah, drop me a comment down below letting me know what you thought of this month's box, if it's our last one or if it's going to run until my subscription runs out. I love hearing from you. Thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you again soon. In the meantime, lovelies, please take care. Bye bye.